Hey man, I just want to show you how to resize your thumbnails. So you go to File, and then you go to New, hit on Custom, and then right here, this is where you're going to put your dimensions. So you go to that website that I told you, or any other website where you can get the information. So it might be different maybe for your personal website or for Facebook, but in this case, it's Facebook. So you go to Shop Images, which is the type of thumbnail that you need, and right here it gives you the example. That way you can better guide yourself. And you go to minimum dimensions is 1024 by 1024 pixels. That's really important. You go to Photoshop and then you type in your dimensions right here. So I'm gonna redo it again. It's already typed in. And then you make sure that it's pixels and not inches. Okay. And then 1024 again. Here, it needs to be squared. 300 ppi is fine. 16 or 8-bit is fine. And then right here for the background, I'm assuming you want white, but you can select different ones. You can select a black background or a transparent, or you can select your custom one. Okay, but in this case, we're gonna go with white. Hit create, and you go to your image, wherever your folder is, where your image is, and you select it, and you drag it. You drag it to the canvas right here that we created. Right, and now it's gonna be all zoomed in. What you gotta do is either well, it'll be easier if you hold Control on your keyboard, hold it, and then press the minus key on your number pad on the keyboard. So every time I press it, it's zooming out. And you see how we see the whole outline now. So now you drag it inside that canvas that we created, and then you hit Enter, and now you can zoom back in again. And by doing that, it's the opposite now. So if you hold Control, instead of the minus, you hit the plus on it. And you zoom in. And what you can also do is go to the zoom tool right here by clicking on the magnifying glass. And now if you click, hold, and then drag to the right, it will zoom in. Click, hold, and drag to the left, it will zoom out. Like so. So clicking, holding, there, that. Okay. Or you can just do Control 0, and it will automatically resize your canvas to the full window. Okay, and then we go back to the same thing that we did, select, subject for the transparency for the background, right? You hit the mask button right here, okay? And then if you want to move it around, you click on the move tool right here, this one, and then you can just move this one around. Move the image around, let's say if you want to go on the side or more in the middle or center, you can do it like so. Okay, once you're satisfied, go to File, Save As, put the name in there, and then make sure that you save as type as JPEG. Okay, this one right here, for Facebook at least. For websites, you might want to do, well, actually, no, not even TIFF, because it might take longer to upload. So JPEG is what you always want to do. Okay, unless, like, let's say if a customer says, oh, can you send me an image because I really want to see the details, then TIFF would be the best option because it brings out the most details and it doesn't compress it as much. So you get the best quality with TIFF. But you don't want that for your websites or Facebook, because then it's gonna take forever to upload, or to load the website, and you don't want that. So JPEG is the way to go here. And then hit save. You want the maximum quality because it's JPEG. So click here, make sure it's maximum, baseline standard. That's fine. And you hit OK. And there we go. And your picture's right here with it, the background and the right size. Just like that.